Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's important for everyone aiming to achieve career success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance, these practical tips can help you stay motivated, build your skills, and make progress in your career. Let's get started. First up, set clear goals. Knowing what you want to achieve helps you stay focused and motivated. Start by setting both short-term and long-term goals, then break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This makes it easier to measure your progress and stay on track. Imagine this. You're about to embark on a road trip, but you don't have a destination in mind. You'll just drive and see where you end up, right? Sounds exciting maybe, but you'll likely waste time, gas, and energy going in circles. The same goes for your career. Without clear goals, you lack direction and focus. It's like trying to bake a cake without a recipe. You might end up with something, but probably not what you hoped for. So, let's get crystal clear on those goals, shall we? Start by dreaming big. What does your ideal career look like? What impact do you want to make? Once you have those big, juicy goals, break them down into smaller, bite-sized steps. These are your stepping stones, your mini milestones that will keep you motivated and moving forward. Think of it as creating a roadmap to your dream career. Remember, your goals are personal to you. Don't get caught up in comparing your journey to others. Their path is not your path. Focus on what lights you up and take those steps, one by one. And here's a little secret. Celebrate those wins along the way. No matter how small, acknowledging your progress will fuel your motivation and keep you jazzed about your journey. You got this. Next, focus on building relevant skills. In today's fast-paced job market, having up-to-date skills is crucial. Identify the skills that are in demand in your field and invest time in learning them. You can take online courses, attend workshops, or learn directly from mentors in your industry. Listen up, my friend, because this is crucial. The world is changing faster than ever, and the job market is right there with it. To thrive in this dynamic environment, you need to become a skill-building machine. It's like going to the gym for your brain. The more you work it, the stronger and more adaptable you become. So, how do you become a skill-building superstar? Start by identifying the skills that are in high demand in your field. Are there any certifications or training programs you can take advantage of? Remember, knowledge is power, and in today's world, it's also job security. Don't be afraid to get creative with your learning. There are countless free or affordable resources available online, from YouTube tutorials to online courses to industry blogs. And hey, don't underestimate the power of mentorship. Find someone you admire in your field and soak up their knowledge like a sponge. You'll be amazed at how much you can learn from someone who's been there, done that. Staying organized can make a huge difference in your productivity. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or project management apps to keep track of your tasks and deadlines. Prioritize your work and manage your time effectively to avoid last-minute stress and boost your efficiency. Raise your hand if you've ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of to-dos, deadlines, and endless emails. Don't worry, we've all been there. But here's the thing. Staying organized isn't just about having a clean desk and color-coded folders, though those can be super helpful. It's about creating a system that works for you, so you can conquer your day and unleash your productivity. Think of it this way. Organization is your secret weapon against overwhelm and burnout. When you're organized, you free up mental space to focus on what really matters, crushing your goals and doing your best work. So how do you become an organizational rock star? First, find tools that work for you. Whether it's a physical planner, a digital calendar, or a project management app, choose a system that helps you stay on top of your tasks and deadlines. Next, prioritize, prioritize, prioritize. Not everything is equally important. Learn to identify your most important tasks and tackle those first. And finally, don't be afraid to schedule in downtime. Taking breaks throughout the day will actually boost your productivity and prevent burnout. Remember, you're playing the long game here. Chapter 4. Network like your career depends on it, because it kind of does. Networking is key to career success. Connect with people in your industry, attend events, and don't be afraid to reach out to new contacts. Building strong relationships can open up new opportunities and provide valuable insights from others who share similar career goals. Okay, let's talk about networking, because I know it can feel intimidating, like showing up to a party where you don't know anyone. But here's the thing. Networking isn't about schmoozing or being fake. It's about building genuine connections with people who share your interests and passions. It's about creating a support system of like-minded individuals who understand your journey. Remember, you have something unique to offer the world. Your skills, your experiences, your perspective. These are all valuable assets. Don't be afraid to share them with the world. You never know who you might meet or what opportunities might arise from a simple conversation. So, how do you become a networking ninja? Start by attending industry events, workshops, or conferences. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with people, ask questions, and share your own experiences. Join online communities or forums related to your field. And hey, don't underestimate the power of social media. Connect with people on LinkedIn, Twitter, or other platforms relevant to your industry. Chapter 5. Embrace the challenges and the lessons they bring. Challenges and mistakes are part of the journey. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Instead, see them as learning opportunities. Embrace challenges that push you out of your comfort zone, and don't be afraid to fail. Each experience, good or bad, teaches you something valuable for your growth. Here's a little secret. Everyone experiences setbacks and failures, even those who seem to have it all figured out. It's part of life, and it's especially part of building a successful career. But here's the good news. Those challenges and mistakes, they are your greatest teachers. Think of it this way. Every challenge you overcome, every stumble you recover from, makes you stronger and more resilient. It's like building muscle. You have to push past your comfort zone to see real growth. So, the next time you face a setback, don't let it derail you. Instead, ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I use this to grow and move forward? Remember, you are capable of amazing things. You have the power to overcome any obstacle and achieve your wildest dreams. Don't be afraid to get uncomfortable, to take risks, and to learn from your mistakes. It's all part of the journey. Chapter 6. Stay positive, stay strong. Finally, stay positive and keep moving forward. Maintaining a positive attitude helps you deal with stress and keeps you motivated. Even if progress feels slow, trust that every step forward is bringing you closer to your goals. Remember, success is a journey, so enjoy the process. Building a successful career is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be days when you feel like you're killing it and days when you want to throw in the towel. And that's okay. It's all part of the process. The key is to keep your eye on the prize and maintain a positive attitude, even when things get tough. Remember, your thoughts become your reality. If you constantly focus on the negative, you'll attract more negativity into your life. But if you choose to focus on the positive, on the possibilities, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. So, how do you stay positive when the going gets tough? Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your dreams. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Practice gratitude daily. And most importantly, never, ever give up on yourself. Outro. Go create your dream career. Those are our top tips for career success. Remember, Building a successful career takes time, effort, and resilience. Which tip resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos to help you grow personally and professionally. Thanks for watching. You are capable of creating a career you love, a career that lights you up and makes you excited to jump out of bed every morning. It's out there waiting for you. Remember, success leaves clues. Follow these tips, stay true to yourself, and never stop believing in your dreams. Now go out there and make it happen.